Hi, we are continuing this pendulum assignment. So yesterday, half version, the one side pendulum, we did that, and suppose this is one side only, the return, suppose from left to right the pendulum moving, the same way from right to left also we have to move this. Okay, yes, for that here I'm giving name for this layer. Suppose this is left to right, left to right, this action, because starting from here to this. The next layer here, I'll create new layer here. I'll create new layer and I'm giving right to left. Right to left. Okay. So here we can check the ladder also at the same time. What we do, this we can rename this. The same drawings, okay, should go back, and here we are giving rename for the ladder. Okay, for that what I am doing, can lock this, unlock this ladder here, and suppose this we extend the more frames up to here, insert, yes, okay, there here after 13th it is going back. So that means what? Suppose you have to give the name for this. I'll give the name. This is 13th. Suppose this is 12th. Okay. From 7th onwards, I did not give the name. This is 7th. This is 6th. Suppose this is 5 with this pencil. With this pencil. Okay, this is 5, and this is 4, and this is 3. Okay, and this is 2. Okay, so after 7, this is 8, and this is 9, and this is 10, 11, and this is 12, and this is of course 13. Okay, after that here insert keyframe. Okay, Control Z, not insert keyframe. So this frame, this 12th frame, I'll copy that. I'll copy this, okay, and here I'm giving the rename. So that means I'll copy this, copy frames, and here paste, okay, but here instead of 12, write the name here as 14, right? Then now you can copy this, Control C, and come here, Control C, Control Shift V, or otherwise Control V, paste frames, okay, but not this actually. This frame. So this is copy frames, and you can paste frames, but the number after 14, so this will come 15. This is 15, okay, and then insert keyframe, then here write 16, and here insert keyframe, and right here (17), and here insert keyframe, and write 18, and here right click and insert keyframe, write the name and 9th, and give the brackets, because same like the 7 and 9 both are same, but the 7 is at going time, so left to right it is moving time, the 9 is returning time from right to left. At this area this will come, okay, right, and to this, yeah, 6th, this will copy, and here we can paste, okay, but the number itself, it is after 9, this is 10, this is 10, but you can remove this, okay, and now you can copy this, paste frames, okay, and here it is, this is what number, 10, sorry, this is not 9, 18, 19, this is 19, yeah, and give this one 19, and suppose this is 20. Okay, so write again, this is 20, right? And suppose this is 21, and you can delete this. Copy frames, paste here, and remove this number 4 because we are renaming that as after 21 22. This is at 22, right? Then you can copy this, come here and paste frames and delete this 3. Instead of that give the number 23, okay. After that this you can copy and you can paste and you can remove this, okay, and you give this name as 24, okay, right. After 24 automatically this will connect to this. So up to 24 we have to do. So Control S, save this, okay. So we prepared the ladder. As per the ladder, given ladder, we have to create the frames. Yes, here this is 13th frame is there, okay. But for the 14 we take the back pose, this 13th not required again because already 13th is there, okay. So from there we are taking, yes. So we copy this frame, 12th frame, just copy that, you log this and open the right to left layer and copy this layer, copy frames and come here you can paste, see this. So this is what 13, after 13 it is returning back, this is 14, okay. So but we copied 12 for the 14. Now copy the 11th, copy this and paste frames, okay, good. So this can be 12th and this can be 11th, this is okay. So we copied this, we pasted. After 13th, this can be 14, and this can be 15. Okay. Now this 10th frame, copy and paste here. Okay, this can be 16. Now copy the 9th frame, you can paste here. This can be 17. Now copy this 8th frame, copy and you paste here. So give the name as 18th. Okay, and this is 7th frame, copy this and you can paste here and give the name as 19. So 19. Right, so up to here we pasted 19th. The next 6th frame, you can copy this and paste frames. The name will be 20. Okay, now come to this 5th frame, copy paste frames, and this can be 21. So here 5 already copied, and now come to 4. Can copy that frames, paste here, the name is 22. Okay, now the 4th frame is over. Now take 3rd, copy this. Okay, copy this and you can paste frames. So the name can be 23. Now take this frame to copy this and you can paste here and give the name as 24. Okay, and next the one again you cannot copy here, copy and paste, because automatically after 24th this will connect to first frame, because the action, it is coming in loop, continuous loop action, this can move. Okay, so up to here our animation, remove frames. Okay, yes, so control is, let us say control enter. Yes, the beautiful pendulum continuously it is swinging within this path of action. The path of action is here, the arc. Okay, the side here, this is our this is a ladder. The ladder itself, it is looping continuously as per the clock, given clock. The same clock drawings as per the given ladder timing chart, we place it. That's it. Control enter. Okay, this is simple the pendulum action. And suppose here the ladder is appearing in the final action. If you don't want to see this, so select that layer, right click on that and apply guide. Okay. Now if you check this, control enter, yes, only your pendulum swinging in that particular path. Okay, this is, yes, control S. Now we have to apply the follow through and overlapping action. Suppose it's look like this is, okay, this is pendulum, and suppose here the pendulum thread is not there. Just a minute. Yeah, here it is not added. I'll check another one. Suppose if it is there somewhere with tail action. Yes, this is, now you can delete this. Now check this, control enter, control enter. Yeah. This thread, it is moving along with the pendulum action. Pendulum itself, it is moving from left to right and right to left continuously in a looping movement, but with the pendulum edge. Okay, if we add one tail type, one thread, okay, small thread, not like a rope, a small thread, if you add to the, connect to the edge of the pendulum, when the pendulum is moving from opposite to this and that side, so what will be the thread position? Okay, so that we have to do. So for this, first we have to place this path. Okay, so this is path for the thread, and this is path for the pendulum. Okay, so pendulum itself, it is moving in particular path. but because of the flexibility for the thread, the main action means the pendulum moving mainly because of the stability of the pendulum, the staticness of the pendulum. Like stick, it is moving, but here the thread added, the thread has the density that because of the thickness and the length of the material of the thread, it is dragging along with the main pendulum action. Okay, when it is drags, when it is creating the dragness, it is creating its own path like this. Okay, so we have to create this path first. Okay, and then we have to paste the poses, the main poses of the thread. Suppose this is the, suppose I am here at first frame. Suppose this is the main pose here, and this opposite side at this area, suppose at 13th area, and this is the next the key pose of the thread, and suppose at 7, this is, yeah, at 7 it is the breakdown or passing position. Okay, so breakdown and passing position for thread. So between this first pose here and for the last pose at 13th, yeah, at 13 we have to draw first the passing position, breakdown, then from the breakdown to your first pose you have to make all the thread shapes, that too in different curve, because the curve is showing in this direction, because the thread, it will create that the looseness, the draggingness we have to add. Okay, after making all these things, again from 7 to, suppose here from 7 to up to 13 we have to move other we have to place other thread shapes. Okay, so that we do up to suppose 13th. After 13th, again this thread will drag down, because the main action, the main pendulum is moving to opposite side, so that means from right to left it is moving. So along with that, the main action, your thread also, the added thread, attached thread also can move, can drag the thread tail and can move into the same direction, but in the different curve, given curve. Okay, that is. So first, to study the main action of the pendulum yourself, you have to study the main action, then you will add the thread overlapping and the secondary actions, overlapping and follow throughs. Okay, so you also have to create this main the pendulum main action. Once your main action, if you approve that, then only you have to add this follow through and overlapping action, otherwise everything will be wrong. Okay, you check yourself and try yourself, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.